Hi guys, it's Maddie, and today I'll be showing you how to do an intro. Okay, so basically you just have to find a picture you like for your intro.
2 hours later.
Okay, so now I'm just going into iMovie. I'm selecting the picture I chose, and I'm going to put it to 10 seconds long. And if you don't want the picture to move, you have to disable the thing. You just tap it like that. But I'm going to keep it on. Okay, so now I'm going to save it into my camera roll. Okay, so now we are in font. And so basically you just tap the picture. And it says add text, and press add text and put in whatever you want. I put in my YouTube channel name, but you can put in whatever you want. And you can change the font, or you can put like a symbol, but I already did that all before. So, and now you can change the size, but right now you're going to put it to 1 second long. Then you're going to press none and press zoom out. So I edited out me exporting it because, yeah. So, and now I put the one I just did in, and I'm setting the original one, just the photo, to 1 second long. And you can do how long, whatever, on the second one, you can do how long you want. But then you're going to press theme, and 2 seconds long. And then there's going to be options. You can choose whatever you want. I chose neon. And this is how it looked. But you honestly can choose which one wherever you want. So, yeah, that's basically how you make an intro. So, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.